So today we will be learning how to find out the cube roots of numbers. Finding out the cube root of numbers normally is a very time-taking process, and if you use the normal techniques, for example, if I want to find out the cube root of 1728, if I want to use the normal techniques, then it will take a very long time. So start doing the factorization, dividing by 2, say 2 into 8 is 16, 2 into 6 12, 2 into 4 8, and continues like that. 432, 2 into 2 16, 2 into 108, 2 into 54, 2 into 27, 3 into 9, 3 into 3, and 3 into 1. It's a very time-taking process of finding out cube roots of numbers in the normal method of factorization. And in exams like banking or MBA, we don't have that much time. We have to solve questions way faster. Maybe getting the answer in 2 to 3 seconds itself. And for that we learn the shortcut technique of finding out cube roots of numbers. To find out the cube roots of numbers, we'll first observe the cubes from 0 to 9. As you can see, 0 cube is 0, 1 cube is 1, and so on, up to 9 cube being 729. And if you observe these cubes carefully, we can see that each cube is ending in a distinct digit. For example, if 0 cube is ending in 0, then no other cube is ending in 0. At the same time, if 1 cube is ending in 1, no other cube is ending in 1. Each cube is ending in a distinct digit. Further, we can also see that all the digits here, from 0 to 9, can be observed here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We can also observe that 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, and 9 end in themselves. So 0 cube is ending in 0, 1 cube is ending in 1, 4 cube is ending in 4, 5 is ending in 5, 6 in 6, and 9 in 9. So 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, and 9 end in themselves when we find out the cube roots of numbers. What about 2, 3, 7, and 8? If you observe here, 2 cube is ending in 8, whereas 8 cube is ending in 2. So if the cube ends in 2, the cube root will end in 8, and vice versa. So if cube is ending in 8, the cube root will end in 2. Same time, we can see here that 3 cube is ending in 7, and 7 cube is ending in 3. That means if the cube is ending in 3, the cube root will end in 7, and if the cube is ending in 7, the cube root will end in 3. So 2 will end in 8, 8 will end in 2, 7 in 3, and 3 in 7. So let's again recap. 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, and 9 end in themselves when we find out the cube root, whereas 2 ends in 8, 8 ends in 2, 3 ends in 7, and 7 ends in 3. So we'll learn how to find out the cube roots by taking this example of 389017. So I want to find out the cube root of 389017, and already we have seen that 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, and 9 end in themselves, 2 ends in 8, and 8 ends in 2, 3 in 7, 7 in 3. So let's put this technique to test. First of all, the first step in finding out cube roots faster is to look at the rightmost number. This is 7. 7 ends in 3. So write down here 3. Very, very easy. And then we look at the other 3 digits here. 3, 8, 9. Now, is 3, 8, 9 a perfect cube? For that we have cubes here. We have a list of cubes here from 0 to 9. And you can see that 389 is between 7 cube and 8 cube. 7 cube is 343 and 8 cube is 512. So 389 will be between 7 cube and 8 cube. So we'll take 7 here. If 389 is between 7 cube and 8 cube, we'll take a smaller number 7 in the tens place. And this gives us the cube root of 389017. We can say the cube root of 389017 is equal to 73. So let's take one more example of this number 636056. And let's clearly understand the 2 steps. First step, divide the rightmost 3 numbers. So 636 on the left hand side, 056 on the right hand side. Then observe the number in the rightmost position, that is 6. 6 ends in 6, write down the units place, 6, that we have got. Let number 636, is it a perfect cube? Let's observe the cubes here and see 636 is in between these two cubes. So here we have 636 between 8 cube 512 and 9 cube 729. So 636 is between 8 cube and 9 cube. So what should be the number in the tens place? It should be 8. We take a smaller value and hence we can say the cube root of 636056 is 86.